This is Roger with True Method, the pool care experts, helping you keep it real clean, real simple. Today we're going to talk about vacuum hoses. For those of you who have a vacuum, what we call a suction side vacuum with the hoses, many times what will happen is people will pull their hoses out and wrap them up. Unfortunately, what also happens as they're out of the pool wrapped up is they get kinked or conformed. We're going to recommend when you have a party and you want to pull the vacuum out, lay the hoses out straight, and then when you're finished with your party, put them back together and put them back in the pool. So if you have had this happen to you, what you probably best need to do is order some new hoses. You can go to Amazon and just click on vacuum hoses. If you'd like some more information on more videos on how to keep a crystal clear, ready to swim pool, as well as information on how to manage and run your equipment, click on the link below.